You are now watching a Lucky Penny Shop product feature. Hey, it's Lucky Penny Shop. Today, Alyse and I are going to check out a bunch of Slimi Cafe toys.
Yes, but before we start this epic video, we need to say thanks to Orb for sending us these squishy toys.
Yes, and these are for ages 8+.
Yep.
And they sent us a whole retail case.
I know.
So what are Slimi Cafe toys? Well, there are squishy toys and different kinds of slime in the different packages.
Yeah, very
And
interesting.
from there, you make these creations. I don't know if you can see it on the top here. This is the the foam toy, and then they're pouring different slimy creations, and then you squeeze.
Cool.
What do you think about that?
Sounds pretty amazing.
All right, let me just start tossing things to you. You start
Okay.
organizing and see. Take the slime toys from the slime, and then we can... Okay, that should be easy to know what that is.
Yeah.
What is that? Ooh, another one. Let me know if we get any dupes here.
Another squishy. Another squishy. Oh, that's okay. Is that good? No. I don't think it is.
How about that?
Oh,
Ooh. Is this one a dupe?
no.
I don't know. We'll have to sort them out better after we're done here.
What if they give us
That
all
one?
of them?
They might have. Ooh, check that out. What's that? All right, there you go.
Uh,
Sort them all out. All right, tell you what, we'll sort them all out. But now you see all the different ones we have. We'll sort them, and we'll come back, and we'll start opening them up.
Okay, we are back.
We are back. Now, Elisa's going to show us all the different slimy soft toys, all right?
Yes.
Okay, what do you have there?
This is the first one.
And it looks like an ice cream cone.
Yep.
So do they have any special names or anything like
I
that?
don't know.
I don't
Okay, on
see
the
anything.
back.
It does say Series 2. Okay.
Back.
On the back, what does that show you?
Choose your squishy.
Okay.
Then pick your toppings.
Okay, I have all the toppings laid out
Yeah.
here. We'll show those in a bit.
Create and decorate.
Okay.
And then squeeze.
Okay, good. All right, let's see what we have next.
Okay. We'll do this one.
What is it?
What does this look like?
I don't know. Maybe like a cupcake or something, or a basket? Hard to tell.
Yeah. Let's just say it's a cupcake for now.
All right.
And this one.
I think they're just fun-looking, soft, squishy toys. That's all.
Yeah. This one looks like a cat.
Put this back here. You can put them all
Maybe
back in
like
there.
some.
Yeah, it's got a
bed.
face, a
Yeah,
cat on
bed.
top on his little bed. Yeah.
Okay. We have.
Looks like
A
some kind of some kind of burger.
Yeah. And then maybe like a
Cake.
banana split.
Banana split, maybe. Yeah.
Maybe, yeah.
Cute little characters on those. So those all have faces, but these do not.
These
So
ones are just like
a little bit different, right?
food items.
Yeah, I don't know.
This one looks like maybe like a pie.
Yeah, it does look like a pie. That looks like a hot dog. Oh, piece of chicken.
Yeah.
It's 2 pieces of chicken on top of each other.
And this one probably pancakes.
Yeah, or a sandwich or something.
And then maybe a
Coffee cup.
coffee. Yeah.
Yep.
And last one is
An ice cream cone.
Yeah, unicorn
with another
ice cream cone.
a unicorn ice cream cone. All right. So now on the different squishies that they got, these slimies, you got the Fluffiwhipz. Okay, feel that. They gave us three of the Fluffiwhipz. So it's a Fluffiwhip, but they have 3 colors there. I'm sure there's more. And they sent us 3 of the Jameez. Okay, like pajamas, I don't know. And then this one seems to be really soft.
Ooh, yeah.
And then 3 of the Drizzlerz. Now this seems like a really regular loose slime.
Like a clear slime?
Yep.
Yeah.
And then this is the Swirleez, and it's the hardest of them all. So they're giving you the directions here what to do. Roll and twist. What did this one have? This one just says drip and drizzle. That one says stretch. Okay. And then what does the Fluffiwhipz say? Twist. Okay. All right. So now we have seen everything.
Yes.
So we're going to decide what we're going to show you. We'll show you at least one of each of the colors here and one of each of the versions. I mean, one of each of the versions. So we'll pull a Drizzlerz, we'll pull a Jameez, we'll pull, well, we'll figure it out.
Yeah.
We'll be right back. All right, here we go. We're about to make a mess, and we noticed this on the bottom of the box. We set it aside originally, but look. So there is the mermaid latte squishy, the chicken and waffles. So we were close on that. The sushi cat.
All right.
The popcorn squishy. We thought that was something with the little container on the bottom. Pizza squishy. Teddy burger squishy.
Okay.
Unicorn sundae squishy. Heart pancakes. Ice cream cat. And then spaghetti squishy.
Oh, okay.
Now this, I don't know, was that the one that looked like it had unicorn ears? No, see, that one's not on here.
Yeah, it isn't.
All right, well, either way, you open the one on the left, I will open this one, and I get these two, and then you get those two. All right, here we go. Is there a trick? Probably, nope, not there. Do you see anything? Nope.
I see anything? Oh.
Hand me that, I'll cut it for you.
Thank you.
There you go. Okay, so my squishy.
My squishy.
Pretty cool. Pretty psychedelic little disc in there.
That's cool.
And then I have my little kitty. So I've got the kitty. All right. Let me bring the camera in a little bit. Okay. And then I'm going to open a Fluffiwhipz. Okay. Now this shows a scissors because it's resealable. So let me cut that for you. Only one person using the scissors today. That's, ooh, look at it, right on his head. All right, so now we'll open this up. Ooh, look at that. Remember the back now. You got to read what it says. Okay, so mine is a little, kind of wet almost. All right, so you will get some residue on your hands. So mine is a twist. And I probably should have had you do the twist, huh?
Mine is the Jameez.
So I'm going to do like a twist. Oh, bad twist. What does yours say to do? Stretch and just lay over it?
I think it just says... Yes, it says stretch.
Okay, so twist.
Stretch it over it. I'm going to take a little bit off.
I'm going to put that right on his head. Okay. And then I'm going to open up the Swirleez. Now mine, it says decorate. So this one here is called Razzleberry. I didn't notice that. I have Minterific, but mine didn't smell like mint.
Should I put it all on?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then Alyse had Blue Razzleberry as hers. And then this one is, what is that called? Melonade Topping. So they all have different names. This is Strawberry. Here, let me cut your second one. Actually, let me let you open both. I'll get it started for you.
Okay.
It's hard to make that initial open. There you go.
Get this out. Ooh, this feels jiggly.
So now we're gonna mix. I mean, right? Or you just, or don't you want to mix yet? I say don't mix yet. Squish what you got, and then take it off, and then do the next one so we can experiment a little.
Okay.
So that one's open.
All right.
And then this one is called Applelicious. And we have Strawbelicious. We have Bluebelicious. And this is Very Berry. Okay. Hey, that's mine. Give me mine back. Ooh, this is more like a putty, like a really stiff putty.
I think it needs some kneading.
Yeah, I think that's what you're supposed to do. I forgot which one that was. Was it the Swirleez?
It was that one, might be.
So you roll and twist.
Okay.
All right, so but let's just play with these now. So you want to squish your squishy toys with your slime. It's actually quite interesting, isn't it? Here, squish mine. I like mine.
Ooh.
Yeah,
like
isn't that nice?
Yeah.
So my texture here is very much like a soft foam squishy.
I almost just want to play with the
And it
slime.
doesn't stick, so... Did yours stick?
No.
A little, maybe?
A little.
Oh, look at that. So now I guess it's more just that sensory looking, touching. Hey, quit playing with mine so much. Take yours back. All right, now switch. Take your blue off. Put your orange on.
Good idea.
Oh,
like
that's
that.
your swirl sandwich.
There we go. Okay.
Okay.
Put it like that.
So this one does stick a little to the bottom foam.
Yeah.
But it seems to clean off okay. You just gotta, do your thing. Okay, so now,
like
go
that
with your
sound.
orange now. And everybody, that's different sound. Huh?
Right.
Now squish do your swirl thing where you kind of just rest it and let it drop on top of it. Is
Okay.
it soft enough?
Not really.
No?
It's kind of very bouncy.
So it's a stiffer slime.
Yeah.
Okay, so this one said to... Let me bring the camera back just a little. Okay, so there's basically a lot of different squishy toys to play with. A lot of different textures and feels on this.
Kind of got it. I don't know if it'll...
Yeah, I don't know. Mine doesn't... Mine's a little... thicker.
Slowly but surely it's going.
Okay, so let's just... Well, let me do this. Let me just let the slow foam rise so everybody can see that part of it. Squish it down. There you go. Ooh, okay, between the two, I like this one. I think out of all of them, that's my favorite. What kind is that? Like a butter slime? What do they call that?
Yeah, I think it's a butter slime.
More like a butter slime?
Yeah.
And those other ones are just more like regular slime and then a clear slime. That's got a little color in it, right? All right, so there you go. I guess basically endless combinations. Now, I'm not going to mix my two, but you could mix them if you wanted to, right? What do you think?
Mix a little piece?
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay.
I'll just keep playing. This does remind me of like a Silly Putty or a Crazy Aaron's Putty, like the harder ones, not a soft one. It rips like that, like a putty.
Ooh, that's pretty.
Ah, neat color. All right, well, there you go. Pretty fun, interesting, different.
Yeah.
Mixing the two, or you could just play with these, or you could just play with this, or you can combine them. This is probably one of the better ones for the slow. See that?
Yeah.
I get it now.
Nice.
All right, there you go. And thanks for watching, everybody. And you know what? We'll put more information in the description area. Thanks, Alyse, for stopping by today.
Yeah, no problem,
I really
Dad.
appreciate it. Later, everybody.
Bye.
If you're looking for the item you just saw in the video, click here. Watch more videos by clicking here. Don't forget to share on social media and give a thumbs up.
Hey, LPS-Dave.
What's up, Butch?
Make sure they don't forget to subscribe.
Oh yeah, please click here to subscribe to Lucky Penny Shop. And always remember, when you see a lucky penny,
Pick it up.